Hi guys, this is the last part of theme customization, which is a free theme that we are working on, that is Seriflight. Previously, we have learned how to edit various sections of our website in Seriflight. They might be similar in different themes, they might be different in different themes. So let's see and go down how to get customized with our footer and other things. So first is this, get in touch. If you want to change anything, you can change it. Like instead of writing get in touch, you should write something which is more thought provoking, which give you an edge. Why should people fill up this form? Like digital marketing job portal. Those people who are looking to register, they might not register because they do not feel comfortable registering every digital marketing job. So what they will do, they will not register, but you want the email IDs, you want them to register. So how you can get them? Give them something, a freebie which is valuable for them, and you get the registration. For example, like you can hide the section first, or you can write something like get a free access of complete digital marketing, your name, number, email ID. That's all. Instead of send message, you can write get access now. That is how it is. But in this, you cannot edit the form. Look at this. You have your name, email address, subject, and your message. That is the basic problem you face when you want to customize more into it. You cannot do it in a free. Okay, that is the only problem. But if you want to edit, you can go to settings and pirate form. A lot of effort will be taken. It cannot be done here. Then publish. We will learn these how to do these changes in plugins because pirate form is a plugin. Okay. Now you have a footer. You have this contact us and this section. It's up to you. You want to keep this section like contact us here, or you want to add it here. It's purely up to you. Like if I do not want it, I can remove this, simply remove this widget, because I have a good footer at the end, like this one. I can give my company address, my email address, my phone number, and this I cannot edit because this is owned by Seriflight and free they are giving it. If I take the paid version, then I can edit. If I want to edit the like company name, address, anything, I can edit. Like my email ID, I want to edit, so I can edit like j.bundle66 and then gmail.com. Earlier section I have told you how to make company's ID. You can put your company ID here. That's up to you. A toll free number, if you want to mention, you can keep it. If you want to remove these section, you can remove. That's all in customization of your theme. But there are few people who might think that I have not added two things here. That is these ribbons. Okay, so let me search what I can do with these ribbons and the background image of header. These two things I have not told you. So let me show you how to change the background image. Go into advanced option, then into background images. From here you can edit. If you buy the paid version of it, you can have a video as well. Then in header section, we have title as blog and Zarif Life customer support. If you want to change the blog header, you can change it. Color scheme is here is white. If you want to change it, you have to buy a full version. And these unnecessary options are there, which it's up to you. We were talking about ribbons, so let's go into front section and see where these ribbon sections are. Here you see an option called ribbon section. Click on it. Bottom button, ribbon and right button ribbon. So let's see, bottom button is this button at the bottom and right button is on the right side. If you want to keep this section, you can have it. If you want to delete, just remove the content out of it and delete it. But I would not recommend you to do that. Try to enter something here which is valuable for your use, through which you can activate your customers or visitors on your website to download. It's kind of a CTA thing, so you can add it if it is necessary here. Like you have mentioned about different kinds of jobs, again the button which you mentioned here, like find your dream job here, like I mentioned, find your dream find your dream digital marketing job, not in get in touch, search here and give the link of that particular page where user can go and search. That is how same thing you can do it for right button. That is how you can make changes. Whatever changes you have done, if you click on save and publish, all the changes will be published. Now we will see in 10-15 minutes what we have learned and what website we have made. Look at this top menus, we have learned how to make it. For that, definitely you have to develop pages and put that pages over here one by one, then a banner, then type of jobs, then a digital marketing job portal. Button is not coming because I have not changed the link. Then I have not put the between content, that's why it's look a bit ugly. You should have put that content and then this area, then logos, then your team, then testimonials. Testimonial is not coming, rewrite testimonial in case if it's not coming. Your blogs which we have written in the page versus blog section, so you can write there. Then a form to fill, and the one which I have filled it, my email ID is coming here. Whichever options I have not filled, that has been removed. So look at this, we have built the home page of a website in just 15-20 minutes of this video. That is how you can build more pages and place it in your menu and people can access it. If you want to add functionalities into your website, you can add it through plugins or buy a paid theme which have all the features. So our next video, we will learn how we can buy a paid theme and how we can make changes into it which have all the functionalities into it. They might be using plugins as well or they might not be using, that depends on theme to theme. So guys, see you in our next video.